In this video, we're going to show you how to install the drivers for the APD Flatbed, just in case you need to ever reinstall them. So first you go to the website apdevices.net. Once you're there, you're going to click on Download Center, and then click on the APD Flash firmware and USB driver setup. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and open it up or go to the directory where it's downloaded. If you want to, you can go to Properties and unblock it. Sometimes it's a good idea. And we'll go ahead and extract all. Now that it's been extracted, we're just going to run this and click Next through the installer. And say yes. Now that it's installed in your all programs here, you should see 3 recently added things. If you don't see those, scroll down to your APD Flash firmware and then you'll see those same icons here. We're going to install Forms first. After we install Forms, then we will install the drivers for the USB. And then finally, we'll run the Flash firmware program. On this machine, I'm not actually connected to a cutter, but if I were, and it was plugged in via USB, it should show up here. It might show up under a serial port also, but you should auto-select and auto-find it. And in order to send files to it, you would select your files here, and then you would click Send to send the files.